Hello students, I'm Shreya Sethia and today we are going to study chapter 3 of class 8th geography. So we are going to start with hard words. Let's start. First word is surface water. Surface water. Now everybody knows what is surface water. The water which is present on the surface of the earth, that is in the form of rivers or lake, sea, pond, ocean, that is called surface water. Next is groundwater. You are very familiar with this word, groundwater. The groundwater is the water which is present under the rocks or which is found in the pores of rock under the surface of the earth. That water is called groundwater. Next is water vapor. Water vapor is the water vapor in the air is the gaseous form on the water on earth. That is called water vapor. Next is hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity is a electricity which is generated with the help of water. When water falls from a height, as it generates, or from a height, the water or dam, it can be harnessed or it is harnessed and to generate hydroelectricity. Then next is marine life. Marine life means the life which is present or the ecosystem, a kind of ecosystem which present in ocean water, that is called marine life, like fish, seahorse, blue whale. They all are the part of marine life. Next is precipitation. 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 You must be familiar with this word since class 6th. So precipitation क्या है? A kind of rainfall, right? It's a rainfall or snowfall, hails. They all are the form of precipitation. Next is consumption. Consumption. Consumption means consuming something. Consuming something. Next is water table. The meaning of water table, or the definition, we can say the upper level of groundwater below the earth's surface. The upper level of groundwater below the earth's surface is known as water table. Next is a scarcity of water. Scarcity, it means shortage. Scarcity means shortage. Next is contaminants. 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 Meaning of this word is substance that causes an undesirable change in the natural environment. Substance that cause an undesirable change in the natural environment is called contaminants. Next is influent. Sorry, it's a affluent. Affluent means liquid waste, a kind of liquid waste which is discharged from the factories or industries, that is called effluent waste or effluents. Next is purification. 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 So purification, it means a cleaning of water with the help of various technologies or various methods like chlorination, distillation, and UVP water purifications, and etc. Or by boiling water. They all are purification methods, cleaning water. Next is multi-purpose project. Now, multi-purpose project is a project which is done with the motive of, or the aim of doing, is all over utilization of river and serve many purposes simultaneously. मतलब एक काम के साथ बहुत सारे पर्पस के लिए जो प्रोजेक्ट चालू किया जाए उसे मल्टीपर्पस प्रोजेक्ट कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज Afforestation. Afforestation means, or it's a kind of method of conservation of water, that is planting of trees and other plants which slow down the surface runoff and improves the seepage of water in the soil. It's a kind of water conservation method. Next is sprinklers. Sprinklers, it is a method or effective method of irrigation. Next is undulating lands. It is a kind of land or a land which have bend with curves or waves. Undulating lands. This kind of lands are called undulating lands, which are uneven or which are in curves or waves. They are called undulating waves.